One of the few winners of the Silicon Valley Bank debacle was Insulet. So let's back up 1 week. Silicon Valley Bank, parent company of SVB Financial Group, is no longer eligible for inclusion on the S&P 500 after it was taken over by the regulators last week. Therefore, the bank was removed from the S&P 500 before the market opened on Wednesday, at which point Insulet stepped in its place. Now, what does Insulet do? They simplify life for people with diabetes and other conditions through its Omnipod product platform. So let's just go right to the daily chart. On that news that they were being included in the S&P 500, price jumped from 280 and closed at about 303. And then next trading day, that Monday on March 23rd, price jumped another $12. Now when I saw this, I said at some point it was going to take out its all-time high. And it did. Why? Well, mutual funds that buy the S&P 500 through SPY, well, they're allocating money to SPY, and then SPY is divvying up that money to all the companies in the S&P 500, of which Insulet is one of them. So they're going to see some of that money that mutual funds, pensions, or what have you are investing in the index. And now price is pulling back, which is expected. After reaching all-time highs, it usually retests the point at which it broke all-time highs. And I like this area here, although there's not a lot of volume. The volume was in this candle right here. So I'm going to go down to the 4-hour chart to see if I see anything of interest. And I still don't. Let's go down to the 1-hour chart. And I still don't. I was looking for an entry on a pullback to go long, but I don't see anything except for this area here. You had a drop in price, you had buyers and sellers duking it out for position, and then you had a strong move out. So perhaps that's an area where price might pull back and then react at the 207 level. Right now price is at 315, so let's go back to the daily chart to see what that looks like. I would want to put the stop below there. Okay. We'll say this is the 305 level. Again, not in love with the zone, but let's see what happens. Okay, the volume's in this candle here. Point of control. And this candle is the point of control. meaning price did not close below that candle there. So that's a good thing. The zone might work after all. Let's set an alert. Add alert. Okay. Let's see what happens over the next week or two. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.